In this video, I will show you how to watch replays in Valorant. However, there is no option to watch replays of past game in Valorant. You can only watch replays by recording the game. To record and review your gameplay, you need third-party software. Go to Outplay's official website. Click on download and install the application. Outplate will also install Overwolf, which helps track game performance. Open Outplate and log in. Go to Settings and select Valorant from the list of supported games. Choose how you want to capture gameplay. Adjust settings based on your storage capacity and preferences. After playing a match, open Outplate. Navigate to your recorded clips and watch your gameplay. You can trim, edit, and share the best moments with friends. So that's how you can watch replays in Valorant using Outplayed. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.